Hi, welcome to Cat Tricks. Today I will make this example by Solidworks. So let's start. First I will choose the plane that I will work on. I will work on front plane. I choose sketch, then I will choose corner rectangle. No, I think I will choose center rectangle, it will be better. Then I will add the dimensions. I will draw a circle. I make this horizontal line to cut the half of the circle. Then I will add dimension for the circle. I'm making offset for it. I will select chain. Okay. Now I will draw a line from origin and I will choose offset for the line by direction. We'll add the value of offset as then I will trim the extra lines. I don't need all of this. That's approximately the shape, but we have many blue lines, so I will define every line and curve to make it black. I'll choose this from origin to be vertical. This line is not fixed. I will choose this point and this point and make them horizontal to each other. Now this line is not fixed also. The lower point is free. Not this. The lower point, that's it. We can just make it a vertical line. Now everything is fixed. Now we'll extrude. We'll add the value and make extrude as mid plane. Now I will make a sketch in front plane. Again, I will draw the line and then go to feature to make grip. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.